Want to upgrade your NFL Sunday ticket plan? Here's how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is launch open NFL Sunday ticket app, or you can head over to the official Sunday ticket website. Sign in with your account details. Next, head to account settings or subscription section. Here you'll see your current plan listed. Tap or click Manage Plan. Now choose the new plan you want, whether it's adding NFL Red Zone, switching to premium tier, or upgrading from a basic package. Review the price, then confirm the change. On YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket, the process is similar. Open YouTube TV app or head over to tv.youtube.com, go to your profile, select membership, and under Sunday Ticket, tap Upgrade to add Red Zone or other features. Once upgraded, your new plan will take immediate effect and you'll have access to added features during your next game stream. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.